Hey guys, it is the 23rd of December. Tomorrow it's Christmas Eve and the last day of the Advent calendar. I haven't been able to pick anything today either. Nothing just wants to open. So we resort to the same thing as we did yesterday, sadly, bypassing, and it's a V-lock, so it's the same as yesterday, but I have two. I can take the other one from the tree here. Ta-da! From the tree and yesterday, and this is for the day. They don't have the exact same bidding, I believe, but it's close. Man, I hate to just bypass and call that a day, but can use half a day of picking. There we go. Get it back on the tree. Not back on the tree. Get it on the tree. The other one is already there. There we go. One last spot for the last lock. And that is what I hope this is gonna be. Hopefully, if it wanna open. And I hope it will. Anyway, another sad video, but we only need one more. Hopefully that's gonna be it. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna pick, because yeah, then I just have to keep trying on something and be lucky. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.